Yes, 100 WPM. Be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I have no hesitation in lending my full support to the resolution which has been moved in the House. Stop. This resolution is very timely and the government will be well advised to take into consideration the various factors which the mover has already enumerated in support of his resolution. Stop stanza. Sir, as this house knows very well, the government always has thought it necessary to come out with a statement of policy regarding the control and planning of economy at the beginning of every plan. Stop. The first plan was preceded by the industrial policy resolution of 1948, and when experience was gathered during the working of the first plan, the government thought it necessary to come out with another resolution again on industrial policy in 1956, and at that time it was stated by the government that that resolution had become necessary because of the experience that was gathered during the working of the first plan. Stop. Similarly, we are now on the threshold of the 10th plan, and it will be necessary for us to consider again the industrial policy of the government in the light of the experience that we have gathered during the second plan period. Stop. It is true that the 1948 resolution and the 1956 resolution emanated from the government, and no committee was appointed at that time to examine the various aspects of these industrial policies. Stop. But we must also remember that the entire responsibility for the stop over.